Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Zaman, and in this video tutorial, we will learn how we can add this kind of variation swatches in our e-commerce WordPress website. If you'll upload a variable product on your e-commerce store, you will have this kind of option to select between different variation. And in this video, we will learn how we can replace this drop down with this beautiful variation swatches. So without wasting any time, let us start the video. So I'm assuming that you already have an e-commerce website and you have uploaded a variable product which looks something like this. If you do not have an e-commerce website already, and if you want to make an e-commerce website with free themes and all the free resources, you can follow my tutorial. You can go to YouTube and write Mohammed Zaman e-commerce website and you'll get to see this e-commerce website. This e-commerce website is absolutely free. That means I have used free themes and all the free plugins to make this entire website. But if you want to have a premium look and premium features on your WordPress website, you can follow along this tutorial. Okay, so let's get back. And if you already have an e-commerce website and you want to learn how to upload a variable product like this, you can follow the tutorial in the I button. I will also be putting the same video in the description below for your reference. So the requirement that we have before starting this video is you must have a variable product uploaded on your website. And let us turn our single product page from this to this. Alright, so let's get back. So first of all, we will go to the dashboard. You can either click over here or you can replace this extension URL with /wp-admin. Alright, so this is our WordPress dashboard. And like I said, I'm already assuming that you have an e-commerce store and you have uploaded a variable product in your e-commerce store. Alright, so to add swatches, first of all, we will install a plugin. So we'll hover to plugins and click on add new. And from this search bar, we'll search for swatches. And you'll get to see this plugin by Imran Ahmed, variation swatches for WooCommerce. Click on install and now click on activate. Alright, so once you have installed and activated the plugin, hover to products and go to attributes over here. And you will come to this page. And like I said, I'm expecting that you already know how to upload a variable product on your WordPress website. So first of all, we will add an attribute by the name color. Scroll down, slug is not important, but make sure that you enable archives. And from the type, click on color, select color and click on add attribute. And that attribute is going to get added. I'm going to add one more attribute and that would be size. So type size, scroll down, enable archives, and from the type, this time choose buttons and click on add attribute. Okay, so we have these two attributes available. Now let us add few colors and some sizes. So first of all, we'll go to colors and click on configure terms. And we'll add few colors over here. So the first color that I'm going to add is blue. Now scroll down and from this color option, choose blue. Okay, click on add new color and that color is going to get added over here. Similarly, I'm going to also add another color by the name black. Scroll down and from this option, select black, click on add new color and that color is also going to get added. If you want to add some more color like red, you can type red, scroll down and choose red from here. You can also choose different colors from here. Alright, we'll select red, click on add new color and red is also going to get added over here. Similarly, we'll add few sizes. So let's go back to attributes and from the size, let us click on configure terms. And over here, the first size that I'm going to add is large. So scroll down and click on add new size. So L is going to get added. Instead of using the entire spelling large, I'm going to simply add L for large. And now I also want to add M for medium. Scroll down and click on add new size and M will also be added over here. So we have got two attributes over here. We have got color and then we have got size. So let us now add a variable product. So click on add new under products. So first of all, we'll add the product name and I'm simply going to go to our reference website and open a product, a variable product. So copy this name from here, come back and paste it. Similarly, we have this long description over here. I'm not going to go into details. I'm simply going to copy and paste it over here. And we'll not be getting into the details. So I'm simply going to click on variable products over here. and leave the taxation, inventory and all these things. If you want to learn all these things in detail, you can go to my channel and search for how to add a variable product. Alright, so come to attributes directly, and from this drop down you can select both these attributes over here. So I'm going to click on colors, click on add, and I'm also going to click on size, and I'm going to add it. And make sure that you enable these option, use for variation, and over here you click on select all and select all. Click on save attributes, and once you do that, you'll have all the combination of variation which you have made over here in the variation section. So let us click on variations, and from this drop down click on create variations for all the attributes. Click on go, click on OK, and OK again. So this is going to create a combination of all the attributes that we have added: black large, black medium, blue large, blue medium, red large, red medium. We do not have any red variation over here, so I'm simply going to remove the red one. Click on remove again, and let us add the prices over here. So for black large, I'm going to add 1000 rupees, and on sale it is available at 990. And let us also add a variation image for this one. So I want this image to be displayed whenever someone is going to click on black large. So click on set variation image. So this is done, and now come to black medium, and for black medium I want to display this image. Click on set variation image, and for the price I want to have 1000 rupees a regular price and 980 rupees as a sale price. So we'll close this because this is complete. Now come to blue large, and for variation image I want to choose, let's say, this one. Click on set variation image, and for the price, let's say it is more expensive, so it is available for 1200 rupees as a regular price, and for sale price it is available for 1150. So blue large is also complete. Let us close this and come to blue medium. So we'll open blue medium, and we want to have this image for blue medium. Click on set variation image, and let us set a price of 1150 as a regular and 1100 as a sale price. So we have completed all the variations, and we'll simply give a random description over here, and let us leave rest of the things blank, and we will only set up a default product image. So click on set product image, and for default product image I want to have this image. Click on set image, and this one is set. Now we'll click on publish. Alright, so our product has been uploaded. Let us view the product and find out if our variation swatches are working. Alright, so as you can see, our variation swatches are working. This one is for color, and this one is for size. If you remember correctly, we had selected color in color variation, and we had selected buttons for size variation. Alright, so this is how you can set variation swatches. And with this, we have come to the end of the video. If you have any query, questions or suggestions, please put down in the comment below, and please do like and subscribe my channel. So goodbye and God bless you all.